Hello, students. Welcome to your SST class. Do you know what we are going to discuss today? The thing which we are going to discuss today, it is closely connected to the pockets which we are having in our school shirts and the other shirts which we are wearing. We are having pockets in our trousers. We are having pockets in our woolen clothes also. So, what is the use of those pockets? As a child, either we store some toffees, yes, some small eatables, or if we get some money from our parents as a pocket money, we actually keep that money safe in a pocket in a future use. So let's start with our chapter number 16, that is money and market. Money, as far as the today's scenario is concerned, right from the age of 3 years or 2 years, बच्चों को समझ में आने लगता है कि what is a money and what is a normal paper. If you show a currency note to a child, and if you show a small paper, any paper page of your copy, he will tell you कि no dear, this is a page and this is a money. He knows the difference, that what actually a page is and what actually the मनी इज. अगर आप उसको एक साधारण कागज कागज का टुकड़ा देंगे तो he will not take. If he is seeing a currency note, he will grab the currency note. Okay, so this is the attraction of this currency. So let's try to understand that from how does this currency came from, what are the system of currencies. Okay, uh, see, as far as the childhood days are concerned, we used to go with the parents. पेरेंट्स हमें बचपन में आउटिंग के लिए ले जाते हैं, बाहर ले जाते हैं. फॉर व्हाट? शॉपिंग. व्हाट डू वी सी व्हेन दे गो फॉर शॉपिंग? इधर दे बाई समथिंग न्यू, कुछ नई प्रोडक्ट्स परचेज करके लाते हैं. बट फॉर दैट व्हाट दे डू, दे हैव टू पे समथिंग. क्या देना पड़ता है? वी हैव टू पे अ मनी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सी, द मनी विच वी सी अराउंड अस, द करेंसी नोट्स, द coins, these money are being, the currency notes specifically, these are being issued by the रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. वैसे तो हम अपने आसपास बहुत सारे बैंक देखते हैं. वी कम अक्रॉस मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ बैंक्स लाइक स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, एसबीआई, पंजाब नेशनल बैंक, द पीएनबी बैंक, एचडीएफसी बैंक, आईसीआईसीआई बैंक, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा. मेनी बैंक्स आर देयर, बट the main work of printing those currency notes is of RBI. That is why on each and every note you will see what you will see, the name of Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India will be visible on all the currency notes, since these are circulated by RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Then what does this other bank do? That will come across. The symbol of rupees is this R and Ra combination of, it's similar to the word of Re, Hindi word Re, and also R word. Okay, R word of English. This symbol was given, issued by the government of India in year 2012. Fine. Now, what is a common thing that is being found in every currency notes of India? How do we identify that it's a note from our country, India, or it's a any other country note? See, on each and every note, sorry, you will find the pic of Mahatma Gandhi ji, whether it's of 100 rupee note, whether it's of 10 rupee note, whether it's a 10 rupee note, or whether it's a older note of 100 rupees, there is a pic. Whatever currency notes you would be seeing, you will find a pic of Gandhi ji printed over the currency note. Fine. And now coming to the smaller denomination, the coins, the metallic things which we see, the metallic things which we see, dear students, these coins which makes some noise, which is really pleasurable to our ears. See, these coins contains national emblems, maybe the three lions that are being shown, maybe the Ashoka pillar or any such. Usually we have this national emblem on the coins which you can see. See, I am showing you a different denomination currency notes. This is a 5 rupees note. Maybe it won't be visible clearly, but still you can have an idea. अगर आपके आसपास में coin होगा, you can easily see that this is a 2 rupee coin having a national emblem symbol, and on the other side it's a number written कि how much value does this coin carry. Okay, I hope आप लोगों को more or less idea मिल गया होगा. See, like India have a currency note that we call as rupee. जैसे इंडिया की करेंसी रुपी है, the other countries also are having their own currencies. इंडिया की करेंसी works in India and the foreign currency works in their own respective countries, like USA, United States of America, they have a current currency of dollar, US dollar. Britain or England has a currency of what? They have a pound. The European Union countries, they use euro. They use euro as their currencies. So these are the different types of currencies, major countries which I have told about, that are being used across the world. If we are traveling to other countries, we have to get our money exchange through the foreign exchange banks. Now let's see money and its uses. I know money is one of the biggest tool to get all your wishes complete through your parents. जब आप लोग किसी चीज की पेरेंट्स से डिमांड करते हैं, तो वहां पर भी मनी का एक मेजर रोल होता है टू फुलफिल योर विशेस, द फुलफिल द विशेस ऑफ चिल्ड्रन. इवन दो आई हैव नॉट रिटन दैट पॉइंट. See, money, the major happening of money is what? Exchange of goods. आप लोग देखते होंगे आपके पेरेंट्स अगर बाहर से कुछ शॉपिंग करके लाते हैं तो यूजली दे कैरी अ गुड विद देम. कोई नई चीज घर में आती है, कोई नया सामान घर में आता है. ओके. और मनी से हमें क्या भी पता चलता है. सी, कई बार ऐसा होता है, व्हाट हैपेंस इज when we go to a shop, या when a vendor comes to, in our street, selling any vegetable, selling an fruit, we usually just ask him the price of that good, that how much does this banana cost, how much does the mango cost, how much does the potato cost. We don't buy. तो उस cost से हमें idea लग जाता है that how much expensive or cheap a particular thing is. If it's a thing is let's say 100 rupees per kg, suppose the price of apple it's 100 rupees per kg and the price of mango 20 rupees per kg, तो हमारे माइंड में एक ऑटोमेटिक कैलकुलेटर हमें ये कंक्लूजन देता है that mango is a cheap fruit than apple. Okay. And another major uses which we used to do this habit right from our childhood, that is savings. We used to save money. We used to save. We have a piggy bank. I think almost every one of you would be having as per your habit. And we used to put those money in them. We used to put those money. What we are doing? We are saving the money for the future use. When we get grown up, our parents, our elders, they used to save money not in a piggy bank. They used to save money in a real bank, like State Bank of India, okay, PNB, SDFC, ICI. So they save and store money for the future purpose. It can be needed at any time in good and bad situation both. Now द बिगेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ मनी, जहां पर हम लोग इस मनी को स्पेंड करते हैं, खर्च करते हैं इन आवर डे टू डे लाइफ, इट्स अ मार्केट. मार्केट इज अ प्लेस वेयर वी यूज टू परचेज डे टू डे गुड्स और द गुड्स विच वी नीड इन अ मंथ, जैसे वेजिटेबल, फ्रूट्स, ग्रोसरी, स्टेशनरी शॉप्स. ओके. देयर द मनी इज बीइंग गिवन एंड द थिंग इज बीइंग परचेज बैक टू अवर होम. वी इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द डिमांड कि हम लोग किस तरह की चीज परचेज कर रहे हैं. सपोज इफ वी आर परचेसिंग लेट्स से ऑर्डिनरी bathing soaps या washing soap, so we need soap, we need those soap, the hand washing soaps, maybe twice in a month or thrice in a month. If suppose we are purchasing anything which is just needed once in a month, then we will have to go to that shop for a less duration of time. There is one more bigger form of shops that are found in metro cities and in other mediocre cities. देखिए क्या होता है, अदरवाइज तो हमें मार्केट में एक एक चीज लेने के लिए अलग अलग शॉप्स पे जाना पड़ता है. लाइक इफ यू वांट टू परचेज अ वेजिटेबल, वी विल गो टू अ वेजिटेबल वेंडर. इफ यू वांट टू परचेज अ स्टेशनरी, वी विल गो टू अ स्टेशनरी शॉप. इफ यू वांट टू परचेज अ यूनिफॉर्म, वी विल गो टू अ ड्रेस मर्चेंट या क्लॉथ मर्चेंट. But now the time has been changed. Now that markets have been transformed into the supermarkets or shopping malls where you can find all the products under one roof, like big bazaars, Vishal mega marts, है ना, trends, है ना. These type of market facilitates कि आप अपना सारा सामान एक जगह से ले सकते हैं. What is the benefit of doing this? You save your time by purchasing the things from under the one roof. And secondly, if suppose we forget something to buy, कई बार हमें याद नहीं रहता कि ये चीज लेनी है, तो when we go to such type of supermarkets, हमें देखकर याद आ जाता है कि हमें ये वाली चीज भी परचेज करनी है. And there are family sizes also available, in which we also earn a profit. यानी कि अगर आप कोई चीज 100 ग्राम की परचेज कर रहे हैं, आपको वहां पर वो 1 kg का साइज मिल जाएगा. You will get many discounts and offers also, which will make your money save. Now coming to the last topic of paying for services. अच्छा स्टूडेंट्स, ये सोचिए जरा, ये सोचकर बताइए, जस्ट थिंक एंड टेल मी, कैन यू इमेजिन दैट योर पेरेंट्स आर गिविंग 10,000 rupees to somebody या 20,000 rupees to somebody या any amount of money to somebody and they are carrying nothing back to their home. उन्होंने पैसे तो दे दिए लेकिन घर पर कोई सामान नहीं लेकर आए, या कहीं पर पैसे स्पेंड हो गए, नथिंग हैज बीन केम टू योर होम. इज दिस पॉसिबल in this buying and selling scenario? Yes. See, let me clear you one word which I was trying to discuss you in the earlies of this chapter. That is, this is buyer and seller. Who is the buyer actually? Buyer are the people जो सामान खरीदते हैं, like we people, the common man, जो हम shopkeeper से जाके सामान purchase करते हैं. We are the buyer, and seller are the person like shopkeepers who used to sell the thing. So what I was saying is कि इज देयर एनी सच टाइप ऑफ ट्रांजेक्शन पॉसिबल कि आपने किसी को पेमेंट कर दिया और आपने उसके रिटर्न में कुछ नहीं लिया? यस, इट कैन बी. दीज टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स आर ट्रांजेक्शन आर कॉल्ड एज सर्विसेज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सपोज वी आर विजिटिंग टू अ डॉक्टर. हम किसी डॉक्टर के पास गए, उनको हमने उनका मेडिकल फीस दिया, मेडिकल एडवाइजरी फीस दिया. What will doctor do? He will just give you advice and he will write the name of medicines on a paper. He will diagnose you. He will tell you कि you might have such a such disease. There you are not carrying back anything. जो आप medicines लेकर आते हैं, they are being taken from pharmacist या chemist, not from a doctor. Doctor just writes the name of medicines. वो आपको बताते हैं कि do you have a fever? Do you have any problem in your body? That is called as the advisory fees या consultancy fees of a doctor. If you are not purchasing any medicines, you can directly come to home, but your money is gone. आपने जो डॉक्टर को फीस सबमिट करी है, कंसल्टेशन चार्ज 500 रुपीज, 600 या वट एवर इट इज गोन टू द डॉक्टर. what will he give to you? Just a piece of paper on which the name of medicines are written. Same way, if you are going to a lawyer, अगर आप किसी लॉयर के पास जा रहे हैं, वकील के पास, he will what will he give you? He will give you advice. He will not give you anything to carry back to home, maybe just a piece of paper. If suppose you are going to watch a movie for the family, will you go do it for the free? No, you will have to pay some amount of money. अगर आप 4 लोग मूवी देखने जा रहे हैं तो you will have to purchase 4 tickets, and after paying those money for 4 tickets, maybe 1,000 rupees, you will take home nothing. Just you will experience a good movie for 2 hours or maybe 3 hours. This is called as services. If you are taking a ticket for aircraft, what you are actually taking? Their services. Aircraft will make you travel from one city to another, but you can't take any part to home. You can't take that aircraft home. That means you are being provided. आपको सर्विसेज दी गई हैं, सेवाएं दी गई हैं. अगर आप किसी होटल में स्टे करते हैं, वहां पर पेरेंट्स पेमेंट करते हैं वहां पर होटल में स्टे करने का. ओके, यू आर जस्ट यूजिंग देयर रूम्स. नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन यू गो बैक टू योर होम, आप कुछ नहीं लेके जाते साथ में. यू डोंट कैरी एनीथिंग because you have used their services, their room, their building, their fan, their AC, their television. So this is the thing that is paying for services. I hope you would have understand. कुछ थोड़ा आइडिया आपको समझ आया होगा मनी के बारे में, थोड़ी सी नॉलेज में इंप्रूवमेंट हुई होगी अब तक जो आप मनी के बारे में समझते थे, और इस वीडियो के बाद आपका जो चेंज ऑफ सिनेरियो रहेगा. Our parents, your parents, everybody's parents are working very very hard to earn money, so please don't make their money spend in without any serious cause. Okay, be a wise fellow, be a wise son and daughter. अपने पेरेंट्स के जो सेविंग्स हैं, जो मनी है, उनको वाइजली स्पेंड हो तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है. ये नहीं कि आप अननेसेसरी उनसे डिमांड कर रहे हैं, विश कर रहे हैं कि ये ला दो या वो ला दो, ये चीज़ परचेज करा दो, वो करा दो. Okay, so that's it for today's chapter. Thank you so much for watching the video. We'll meet soon again with the next SST chapter. Till then, thank you. Stay safe at home. Jai Hind.